Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. And this is Unité 9, leçon H. And in this lesson, we'll finish our little thing that we started 2 lessons ago with the adjectives. Okay, so this would be a list of 120 adjectives. Okay, and it will complete the whole adjective series that I wanted to introduce at this point of our learning process. Okay, so let's start now. Alarmant, final T not pronounced. Ambitieux, final X not pronounced, and then remember that you get this T, I, and then vowel, so si. Ambitieux, ambitieux. Amusé, okay, accent aigu at the end, so E, Z, amusé. En colère, okay, remember, accent grave, E, and then R, okay, you don't insist on the E. Colère, en colère. Artificiel. Athlétique, okay, remember that H doesn't exist, so athlétique, remember, Q-U-E at the end, K. Athlétique, athlétique. Réveillé, okay, so accent aigu here and here, so E, and then you get E, and then double L, Y. Réveillé, réveillé. Mal payé, okay, remember when you get this Y and 2 vowels, so payé, payé, mal payé. Irritable, don't insist on the final E. Aveugle, same thing, final E, not really present. So aveugle, gl, aveugle. Bouillant, final T not pronounced. A and together, remember, nasal, en, okay? And then here you get bou, all right? And after that you get this yan, okay? Bouillant, bouillant. Autoritaire, so final not here. Autoritaire, autoritaire. Courageux, final X not pronounced. G-E-U together, they will give you this je, okay? Courageux, courageux. Large d'épaule, final S not pronounced. Large, final E here not pronounced. D'épaule. Enterré, okay, remember, N together, nasal, en, and then you get this double R here, and it will open the sound of the E, okay? Enterré, enterré. Épais, final S not pronounced, A-E together, épais, épais. Calme, final E not here. Stimulant, final T not pronounced, stimulant, stimulant. Circulaire, final E not pronounced, I together, it's E, okay, so R, circulaire, circulaire. Raser de près, final S not pronounced, okay, so here you get the E accent grave, E, près, okay, here E accent aigu, et raser, raser de près. Confiant, okay, final T not pronounced, so O-N, on, I-A-N, ian, confiant, confiant. Attentionné, okay, at the end you get this E accent aigu, so E, A, temps, so remember, E-N, en, temps, sionné, attentionné. Contemporain. Okay, so IN at the end. Un. EM here, because it's followed by a consonant here. You get this P. So it will be a nasal, so it will be en. And here another nasal on. Contemporain. Contemporain. Condamné. Okay, so it's really strange because this M here, well, technically it's not pronounced. Condamné. Okay, condamné. Effrayant. Okay, remember, final T not pronounced. Effrayant. Effrayant. Couper court. Final T not pronounced. And here you get this accent aigu. Couper court. Fâché. Remember, C and H together. Sh, sh. And then E, ché. Fâché. Cruel. Okay, U here. Cruel. Actuel. Actuel. Mignon. Okay, here in that case, G-N-O-N, nion. Mignon. Sourd. Final D not pronounced. O-U together. Ou sourd. Ferme. Okay, final not pronounced. Ferme. Décoratif. Okay, accent aigu. Et décoratif. Décoratif. Déprimé. Désert. Okay, remember, final T not pronounced. Désert. And really this Z sound just because you get one S between the two vowels. Okay, Z. Désert. Décider. Okay, remember, accent aigu here and here. So, et, décider. Décider. Électronique. Okay, so, K at the end. Remember, Q-U-E at the end. K. Électronique. Électronique. Émouvant. Final T not pronounced. A-N together. En. Émouvant. Émouvant. En voie d'extinction. En voie, final not pronounced, d'extinction. Okay, remember, T-I-O-N, sion. Extinction. Extinction. En voie d'extinction. Énorme. Final not pronounced, énorme. Énorme. Entier. So remember, I-E-R, yé, okay? And then the T, tier, and the nasal before, entier. Éternel. Okay, so accent aigu, éternel. Éternel. Épuisé. Okay, remember, you've got two accent aigu, épuisé. Épuisé. Disparu. Fidèle. Final E, not pronounced, so accent grave here. L, fidèle. Fidèle. Fantastique. Okay, Q-U-E at the end, K. Okay, tic. Fantastique. Fantastique. Fascinant. Final T not pronounced, so you get this A-N. Non. Fascinant. Imaginaire. Final E not pronounced. Imaginaire. Imaginaire. Étranger. You remember R at the end. Et. So after that, well, before that, sorry. G. So étranger. Étranger. glacial, frustré, à temps complet, a, okay, so even if you've got an accent, it doesn't change the pronunciation of your a, okay, so it's a, and then temps, okay, so in that case, it's only the nasal here that you will hear, temps, okay, because the P is not pronounced and the S is not pronounced, temps, and then complet, okay, here a T at the end will open it, the sound of the E, so E, okay, ple, complet, complet, and then OM is nasal here, just because you get your P after that, so it's on, complet, à temps complet, à temps complet. Furieux, okay, final X not pronounced, furieux, furieux. Génétique, remember, k, génétique. Coupable, final not pronounced, coupable, coupable. Sain, all right, so final T not pronounced, and then when you combine this A-I-N here, you get the un sound, sain, sain. Honnête, so remember, H doesn't exist, honnête. Horrifié, same thing here, you don't pronounce the H, horrifié. Exalté, okay, so here, final with the accent, so exalté. Humain, remember, H doesn't exist, so U, then A-I-N together, un, humain, humain. Hypnotique, remember, at the end, Q-E, K, tic. So H is not pronounced. Hypnotique, hypnotique. Illégal, illogique, remember, k, ik, illogique. Ingénieux, final X not pronounced, so I-E-U, ieux, nieux, ingénieux, ingénieux. Impatient, okay, remember, final T not pronounced, and then you've got this T, I and a vowel, so sien, sien. Impatient, impatient. Impoli, okay, remember, I-M and then a consonant after, so nasal, impoli. Impossible, don't insist on the final E, impossible. Incroyable, okay, same thing here for the final E, don't pronounce it, so incroyable, incroyable, incroyable. Indépendant, final T not pronounced. Pas cher. Informel. Insensible, okay, final not pronounced. Insensible, insensible. Irrégulier, okay, remember, I-E-R at the end of your word here, it will be yé, okay? Irrégulier, irrégulier. Irresponsable, don't pronounce the final E, bl, bl will be the last sound. Sable, irresponsable. Légal. De luxe, final E not pronounced. Insignifiant, okay, final T not pronounced, so you've got this I-A-N, ian, so F before, fiant, insigni, okay, remember, G-N-I, ni, insignifiant, insignifiant. Mineur, E-U-R, heure, mineur, mineur. Mythique. Remember, Q-U at the end, K. Okay, and then Y is pronounced like I. Mi, H is not pronounced. T, K. Mythique. D'origine. Nomade. Final E not pronounced. Officiel. Paranoïaque. Okay, remember, Q-U-E, K, ac. Paranoïaque. Paranoïaque. Pacifique. Q-U-E, K, ic. Pacifique. Potelé. Okay, here you don't really pronounce this E. Potelé. Potelé. Psychologique. Okay, remember at the end you've got this K. Okay, so ic, and then Y is pronounced like I. Psy. And then it's an exception here because normally we should pronounce it chaud, okay, but then we pronounce it co. Psychologique. Psychologique. Raisonnable. Remember, I together, est. Raisonnable. Distant. Final T not pronounced. Distant. Gratifiant. Same thing here. Final T not pronounced. Gratifiant. Rythmique. Remember, Y pronounced like I and then H doesn't exist. Rythmique. Rythmique. En ruine. Don't pronounce the final E. Ruine. Sacré. Accent aigu at the end. Et sacré. Autosuffisant. Final T not pronounced. Autosuffisant. Autosuffisant. Sensé. Final E, accent aigu, et sensé. Sensible. Okay, final E not pronounced. Bl will be the last sound. Sensible. Similaire. So final E not pronounced. Okay, similaire. Mince. Final E not pronounced. I-N together. Un. Mince. Lisse. Double S here, so it's really a strong S. Lisse. Okay, don't insist on the final E. Lisse. Stressant. Final T not pronounced. A-N together. En. And then double S. Sans. And it will open the pronunciation of your E. So E. Stressant. Stressant. Chic. Okay, you pronounce the final C. And then CH together. Sh. Chic. De banlieue. Okay, final E not pronounced. So I-E-U, I-E, L, lieu, banlieue. De banlieue. Très petit. Final T not pronounced. And then E is pronounced like a E. Petit. Très petit. Here, final S doesn't exist. It's not pronounced. Très petit. Très petit. Traditionnel. Okay, so you've got double N here. Traditionnel. Onel. Onel. Traditionnel. Transatlantique. Okay, so at the end, tic. Remember Q-U-E, K. Okay. Transatlantique. Transatlantique. Tribal. Tropical. Sans peur. Okay, pronounce the final R, E-U-R, heure, peur. Sans peur. Don't pronounce the final S here. Sans peur. Inconfortable. Okay, don't pronounce final E. Table. Inconfortable. Inconfortable. Au chômage. Remember, CH together, ch, chaud, chômage, au chômage. Malchanceux, final X not pronounced, CEU, ce, malchanceux, malchanceux. Peu utile, final E not pronounced, peu utile. Désagréable, final E not pronounced, bl at the end, désagréable, désagréable. Peu réaliste, don't insist on the final E, peu réaliste. Intact, intact. Peu sûr. Affecté. Ondulé. Riche. Okay, remember, C-H-E, sh. So, sh normally, but then you don't insist on the final E, so sh. Riche. Solide. Same thing here, don't insist on the final E. Solide. Bien payé. Okay, remember, final E accent aigu, et, okay. Payé. Payé. Alright? Payé. And then I-E-N, yen. Bien payé. Bien payé. And that's it for this list. I hope it was not too long for you. If you want more videos, then youtube.com/imagier, and the website is waiting for you, imagier.net. Have a great day. Bye bye.